Hello, Year 10 students. Today, we're diving into a crucial critical thinking concept: necessary and sufficient conditions. Let's unravel these terms to boost your argumentation skills. A necessary condition must be met for something to happen. It's essential but doesn't guarantee an outcome. For example, you can't drive a car without a valid driver's license. It's a must-have, but not the only thing you need. A sufficient condition guarantees an outcome. For instance, turning the key in an operational and fueled car is a sufficient condition to start the engine. Once you turn the key, the car starts, provided everything else is in working order. A necessary condition is critical, but not alone sufficient. A sufficient condition alone can ensure the outcome. Sometimes a condition can be both, but not always. To spot necessary conditions, look for terms like must or required. For sufficient conditions, words like enough or guarantees are clues. Some conditions don't fit either category, like having a favorite pen for a math test. It might make you comfortable but doesn't impact the outcome. By grasping these concepts, you'll enhance your ability to think critically and evaluate arguments effectively. Keep practicing, and you'll master these skills in no time.